Thanks for your support. It's been absolutely amazing. Hopefully we'll give you another performance that you'll be proud of us. It'd be a huge advantage to us. The earlier you can get into the stadium, we believe the Belgian fans will be arriving really early, and if we can match that and outsing them, and I'm sure we will, you know, it's huge for the players and a big advantage to run onto the pitch, even when they're warming up and the stadium's rocking. It's a massive help for us. You've been absolutely magnificent. We need more of the same, and hopefully we won't disappoint you. Looking forward to seeing you on Friday night.